Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 2 of the Memorable Meadows March 2024 paper pumpkin kit, which needs this card base and this die cut, this wood cut, this piece of vellum, and it needs the Heartfelt Thanks stamp. So I'm just going to move these up to the top so that I can have my instructions next to me. First thing we need to do is fold that card, and again, we're going to take our rounded edge block and just crisp up that edge. And I've got my Heartfelt Thanks here. So first thing we're going to do is do the stamping. So I've got my garden green stamp spot. And again, we're going to ink it up, give it a test stamp. And it is just a little bit oily still, so let's do another stamp just to make sure we've got good coverage before we go to our card. Yes, that's better. Okay, so we are going to ink this up, and then we're going to stamp it down onto this piece here, just like that. Nice. Okay. So now we need to build the card, and it tells us that we need 3 adhesive dots across the middle, and then 3 at the top of the leaf. Okay, so the leaf needs to be this way, the vellum needs to be this way, and we need our spots here, adhesive dots. There really isn't a right side or a wrong side for these, so I'm just following exactly what's in the instructions. And again, it's really important to put the adhesives down where they tell us in the instructions, because otherwise we might end up doubling up on something underneath. So we're going to pop 3 across the back of this one, like this. There we go. Okay, so we need to take this, need to peel the backings off, like that. Okay, and then we're going to put this right here like this so we can see a little bit of the trunk, and we've got that greenery there, and I do have it the right way around. And these are actually quite good. You can't actually see the adhesive in the background. Sometimes with vellum you can see the adhesive, but you can't on this one. So we're going to take the backings off these ones, off the wooden leaves. Okay, and then we're going to place it down so it's just level with the top and slightly off to the side, like that. Okay. And then we're taking our greeting and we're putting 2 dimensionals on it, one on this side and one down kind of in the bottom, it's not a corner, but bottom rounded area. We're going to take that and we're going to place it quite high up, just like that. There we go. And down like that. Okay, so we've got our, have I doubled up on the, I have actually doubled up on that stem. So I'm just going to peel this off, and luckily it's vellum, so it does peel quite nicely. And I'm just going to adjust and make sure that I'm not on that wood cut when I put my greeting down. But I do want to be straight. There we go. Okay. Got that, and now we need to take our sequins. I need 1 large and 2 small. So the large one goes right here like this, and then the small goes up here, and another small one kind of goes just off the edge like that. So that is project number 2 in the Memorable Moments March 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching. Project 3 is coming up.